Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry 2 thin T-bone steaks. I've already rinsed them off. And I'm going to pat them dry and I'll season them. So I'm going to re-angle this camera so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Still too high. Y'all see. Oh Lord. Okay, let me pat these dry. Paper towel. Always pat dry meat before I season it. Okay. I'm going to start with yellow mustard. Where the mustard at? Right here. I'm going to put mustard in the bottom of the pan. 2 big dollops. I'm going to get this out of my way. Seasoning the pan now. Putting in some Worcestershire sauce. You know what? I'm going to use some liquid smoke. Putting that in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to use some sweet mesquite seasoning. I want the steaks to have a smoky flavor. Let me turn the stove up. Down some. Okay. Okay, I'm boiling some corn on the cob on the stove. Okay, I'm gonna use some black pepper. This is going in the bottom of the pan now. I'm not seasoning the meat yet. What else I got? I got some hickory smoked sea salt. Trying to get as much smoky flavor as possible without actually putting this on the grill. I can smell the smokiness. Time to open this bag. Okay. My gloves, y'all. Just okay. Put some more gloves in here. I'm putting a rubber band on the wrist so the gloves will stay on. It still looks okay. The pan looks like this. Seasoning is in the pan. So I'm gonna, that's the way I'm seasoning the back of the chops. I won't touch it. I got to. Now I'm gonna season the front. It looks like it's enough to do both sides. It really does. Okay. Go with this. Let's spray these again. Worcestershire. Sweet mesquite seasoning. and pepper. Sea salt. Smoked sea salt. I'm gonna let that marinate some. And I've got the corn cooking, and this kitchen is hot, and I'm getting out of here. That's what the steaks look, and it smells smoked. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna cook the steaks just yet because I want the corn to be done. So I want it all to get done at the same time. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Corn is just about done, so I'm gonna get the steaks. They've been marinating for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to turn on my Foodi extra large grill right here. I'm going to use my fry basket. I'll put some foil. Put some foil in this okay. Okay, I'm putting some foil in this pan here. Goes with cleanup, yeah. Okay, and I'm going to turn it on here. We'll put it on the air crisp setting. That's for air fry. Turn it for 400 and 15 minutes. And start. So right now it's preheating. After it gets through preheating, I'll put these steaks in there. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's this beef. You told me to add the food. Like I said, these steaks are thin. Okay. And so they're in there. Now I'm going to check them before the 15 minutes is up because these steaks are thin. I'm aiming for medium well. Medium is fine. And even well done is fine, as long as it's not burnt or tough. So I'll be back. Okay, I know these steaks are done. I did flip them. Whoa, a big piece of meat. Let me take the camera off so I can show y'all how my food looks. Okay, here's my plate. I got some sliced tomatoes. The neighbor gave us some tomatoes, so I got some pepper and a little salt and a little bit of vinegar on my tomato slices. Got an ear of corn, got some butter, salt and pepper, some garlic bread, and the main course, the steak. So I'm gonna let me get the thumbnail before I put the sauce on it. Okay, I just sliced a piece of steak. It looks medium. I don't have any sauce on it yet. It's medium. This is T-bone steak. Nice and tender, still juicy. If I can get my eat on. Okay. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 6:52 p.m. here. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.